Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 2 minutes. So let's begin. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide and then insert a rounded corner rectangle and rotate it like this. You have to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus G and select all of them, go to shape format and remove the outline and go to merge options and then union. Go to picture texture fill and insert an image right into it and uncheck this box that says tilt with the image with the shape. So we're just crop the image and then we're gonna insert a rectangle that covers the outer part of the image that's out of the template. Select them and go to subtract to remove that outer part. Similarly, you're gonna insert the image and then you're gonna insert a rectangle right onto the right side to also remove that part. Next, what we're gonna do is insert a text box for the header. In this, we're gonna write our header and let's increase its size, change its color, and then you have to change its font as well. And insert your content text, which describes the image or the template or what template is about. You have to decrease its size and change its color. So I'll just use this gray color for now. And let's insert a straight line just below the title. You have to change its outline color to the same color as the text box. And then you're gonna insert a round corner rectangle with an outline and no fill. And here you go. Now let me just add a fill to it and let's insert our text. So that's all for today. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. You can download this template for free from the link in the description below.